How to share screen on Google Meet in desktop. If you want to share your screen during a Google Meet call, this video will show you how to do it step by step. First, open Google Meet on your desktop or browser and start a meeting or join through a link. Once you are inside the meeting, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the Share Screen option. Now, you will see different sharing options. Select your entire screen if you want to share everything on your computer. You can also choose a window to share only a specific application, or select a tab to share a browser tab. After selecting your screen, click on Share. Your screen will now be visible to everyone in the Google Meet meeting. To stop sharing your screen, click on Stop Presenting at the top right of the screen. That's how you can share your screen on Google Meet using a desktop or laptop. If you found this video informative, click on Like, Share, and Subscribe for more videos.